Hi, my name's Gadd. So the other day I was watching a programme which I did promote on Facebook. It was about watching Horizon, and with the Horizon it was a placebo experiment. Can my brain cure my body? What was interesting with this particular programme is they took just over 100 people, they give them medication and they said some was on the placebo effect, so just medicine that had nothing in it, and some had this new drug. And basically what they showed at the end of it is they had quite a lot of improvement, and a lot of the people, over half of the people, felt a benefit from this medication and believed they were taking the real drug, only to find that everyone had been taking a placebo effect. So they'd be taking basically a tablet that had nothing in it. And what they also showed is they looked at some other research that also showed that the brain actually, when it believed it was feeling better, produced chemicals from the brain, producing hormones into the blood that actually helped to relieve the pain. So what this sort of says is that the influence doesn't have to come from a medication, it comes from the brain. So the brain has the power to ease pain. And we've all sort of always known this. We know that adrenaline and other chemicals can inhibit pain for the fight and fright response. So you can be quite badly injured, but you can still carry on running or fighting as the body just produces loads of chemicals. Now endorphins is one of the chemicals, there may be other chemicals as well, but what this shows is how powerful the brain is. So when you're looking at treating cancer, sometimes the treatments for cancer are causing a lot of the pain and suffering, the sickness and the pain. And if you then start to lose that will to live, then the cancer is going to have more control, it's going to basically reduce your life expectancy. They know that. So the more positive you are, the happier you are, the easier it is to fight the cancer. And what we're looking at is, if we can keep you fitter longer, then the cancer treatments you are having can be more effective. There's more chance of them being more effective. So it also allows, I suppose, to some extent, for you to have more treatment as well. So if the doctors are giving you treatment and the side effects are so severe that you have to come off that treatment, then that's not going to help fight the cancer. So this is really about trying to use meditation and visualizations to enhance the chemical processes to ease your suffering and the pain. So they said that it's unlikely that the brain could cure cancer. And that may be so. There's not enough research to say that it doesn't. There's not enough research to say that it does, that it's possible. All I know is that cancer cells are your own cells. They're not alien to the body. It's not like there's a bacteria or a virus that's alien to the body. These are your own cells. If you can control your own cells, then there's a chance you can control the cancer cells to some extent. Although there are cells that are going out of control, of course. It's the whole point of cancer. So what I was looking at was a more enhanced meditation. So I've already offered the first meditation to try and ease pain, and I've offered a number of two other visualizations really to try to enhance any meditation or visualization you do. And one's about the breathing exercises and one is the muscle relaxing exercises. So for the meditation you'd need to do both of them prior to taking on this meditation. But we're going to do a much more enhanced one, and basically we are going to try and create the same chemicals that placebo effect would create, the same that the adrenaline would create when you have that adrenaline rush. So we're going to try and enhance that. So if we can ease the pain and the suffering, if we can just ease it a bit, it just makes your life better, and it just is going to hopefully give you a little bit more strength and a lot more fight. And it's the fight you need, and the more fight we can give you, then hopefully the more successful the outcome will be in the long term. So it's andrewgadd.com. There's a small fee for the subscription to the videos. That's just to allow me to be able to fund doing these videos, and hopefully help me to fund, you know, some research later on. If enough money's coming in, I can start to look at expanding out and looking at finding that evidence, finding the proof that cancer can be suppressed, could even be reduced, that your body's natural healing can be encouraged, can be heightened to actually take the cancer on. Thank you.